how to set a custom status in Discord. So the first thing you'll have to do, of course, is open up the Discord app. Then after you've done that, go ahead and locate your username and avatar logo. It should be in the bottom left-hand corner of the Discord app. Go ahead and give it a click. Just click on the avatar logo, that is. And then you'll see there'll be a list of options. You'll have online, idle, do not disturb, invisible, and set a custom status. Now online, of course, is the one I'm currently set to. That just goes to show everybody else that goes to look at your account that they know that you're online. Idle, and we'll change it to a little half moon kind of thing. Usually Discord will set your account to this if you haven't touched Discord in a while. Do not disturb will set your account to this little red circle with a line through it. Basically, this is if you're ever working on a project or something, you don't want anybody to talk to you. And of course, invisible, which is do not disturb to the maximum. Basically, it just completely makes it appear that your account is offline at the time. Okay, but the one that we came for, of course, is set a custom status. So go ahead and click on that set a custom status option, and then the first thing you'll be given is a little text field where you can set your custom status. And then next to it, there will be a little emoji icon where you can pick the emoji that you want to have for your status. So I'll just take a little browse through here. We'll go with the sloth, and then I'll just put just hanging out. Okay. And then I'll also be given the option for how long I want the status to stay on my account. And I can clear it after a day, or I can clear it after 4 hours, 30 minutes, or I could set to never clear. So for mine, I'll just leave it to never clear. Okay, and then you'll be given an option to either cancel, so if you don't want to quit, or if you can save. So we'll go ahead and click on save. And then you'll notice that my custom status is now, of course, just hanging out down here, but I still want to make it seem like I'm online, so I'll click on the online option. So now I am just hanging out, which you can see up here, and I am online. So that's how you set a custom status in Discord.